Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you keep healthy and stay in your home. Okay, student. Today I want to explain for you English material unit 3 about transportation. If you want go to anywhere, you must any transportation. In your book, in our words student book 3, page 42 and 43, any some picture about transportation. You can look any sailboat, airplane, ferry, helicopter, bus, subway, hot air balloon, ship, scooter, taxi, and motorcycle. I want to help you to translate, but not all, just only 5 vocabulary or 5 transportation in there are. The first is an airplane. What is the meaning in airplane? Airplane is pesawat terbang. The sailboat. What is the meaning sailboat? Sailboat is perahu layar, perahu angin. And then any helicopter. Same with airplane, but helicopter just a little. Just only 4, 5 until 6 person. But in airplane is many people can include in the airplane. A bus, bis, a subway, kereta cepat, and a ferry, kapal feri. So this is some transportation. And then in the page 43, any 6 transportation and there are. Please, you can translate in your book. What is the meaning hot air balloon? What is the meaning ship? What is the meaning a scooter? What is the meaning a taxi? And what is the meaning motorcycle? So today we will learn together about a transportation. Jadi hari ini anak-anak kita belajar tentang transportasi, alat transportasi. If you go to anywhere, jika kita mau pergi kemana-mana, pasti kita akan membutuhkan transportation, beberapa alat transportasi. Di bukumu, di our word student book, any some transportation, beberapa alat transportasi yang sudah saya artikan 5 dan sebagiannya lagi silakan kalian artikan apa artinya ini tadi dan kalian tulis di buku, tulis in workbook, di buku tulis bahasa Inggris kalian without upload, tanpa diupload ya. And then you can look dictionary, kalian bisa melihat kamus untuk mentranslate-nya. And then next, now you can open your book, workbook, our word 3 workbook, page 36. We will learn together about how kids go to school around the world. Ya, kita akan mempelajari bagaimana anak-anak itu berangkat ke sekolah menggunakan alat transportasi apa saja. Jadi tadi kita sudah belajar, we have finished learn about a transportation, and then today now we will learn about how kids go to school around the world. Hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana anak-anak itu di dunia ini berangkat ke sekolah atau menuju ke sekolahnya. Okay, I want to read the text. Please you look your text in your book. How kids go to school around the world. How do you get to school? Do you walk? Do you ride your bike? Does your mom or dad drive you to school? Many children take a school bus to school, but some children in India ride a special school boat. The children live on boats, but they go to school on land. They take the school boat in the morning. A teacher teaches them on the boat before they get to school. Jadi bagaimana kalian berangkat ke sekolah? Jadi paragraf pertama ini menanyakan bagaimana sih kalian kalau mau berangkat ke sekolah? Apakah berjalan kaki? Apakah naik sepeda? Ngontel, goes kalau bahasa sekarang? Atau diantarkan sama orang tua kalian naik mobil? Seperti yang di sekolah kalau pas kita masuk gak ada pandemi ya, pasti macet karena banyak yang mengantarkan ke sekolah. Your mom or dad drive you to school, untuk menyupiri kalian berangkat ke sekolah. Banyak siswa yang berangkat ke sekolah itu naik bis sekolah, terutama especially in India ya. Di negara-negara lain tuh ada yang naik bis sekolah. Bahkan di India itu ada yang berangkat ke sekolah itu luar biasa, naik kapal, school boat ya. The children live on boats karena dia tinggalnya di kapal di sungai. Tapi kalau belajar online. Jadi kalau belajar dia di daratan ya. They take the school boat in the morning. Dia berangkat ke sekolah naik kapal itu di pagi hari ya. Kita lanjut next paragraph. Some children who live in the mountain of Colombia take a zip line to get to school. The zip line is long. The children are not scared to take the zip line. Beberapa siswa itu yang tinggal di pegunungan khususnya terutama, ini kalau berangkat di Colombia, ini terjadi di negara Colombia. In the Colombia, take a zip line to get to school. Jadi kalau mau berangkat ke sekolah harus melewati bukit-bukit terlebih dahulu, mendaki ya. Ini perjuangan teman-teman kita in another country, di daerah-daerah yang lain. Ini perjuangan untuk belajar luar biasa. So you must say thanks to the God, because in the Malang country you can easy to study and go to school. Jadi kalian harus terima kasih sama Allah, sama Tuhan. Kenapa? Karena di Malang khususnya kalian gak perlu bersusah payah untuk menuju ke sekolah. Jangan karena macet terus kalian ngomel-ngomel, jangan ya. Jadi di Colombia itu harus melewati bukit-bukit. And then the first paragraph. One boy in Scotland rides his bike, takes a ferry and take a bus to get to school every day. It takes a long time. He get to school late but he loves school. Di Skotlandia, jadi ada 3 tadi yang diceritakan, di India, di Colombia, dan sekarang di Skotlandia. Di Skotlandia itu kalau mau berangkat ke sekolah biasanya menggunakan, ada yang bersepeda, ada yang naik kapal feri, takes a ferry and takes a bus, ada yang naik bis, dan dia berangkat ke sekolah itu setiap hari dan tidak pernah terlambat. Ini catatan buat kalian ya. He gets to school late, tidak pernah terlambat, not late. Kenapa? Karena but he loves school, karena dia mencintai sekolah itu. Okay, this is the text explain about how kids go to school around the world. Ya, jadi teks ini menceritakan bagaimana 3 negara, anak-anak di 3 negara ini berangkat ke sekolah. Any India, any Colombia, and any Skotlandia. Now, setelah tugas pertama tadi, the first task for you, translate some transportation in your Our World student book. Tugas yang kedua adalah please you can do the task in the workbook break 36 until 37. Silakan kalian kerjakan tugas di Our Workbook halaman 36, read and write yang nomor 18 ini. Jadi kalian cocokkan match in the box, kalian cocokkan yang ada di sini untuk dimasukkan ke dalam sini ya. Dan halaman 37 yaitu tentang bagaimana how children get to school based on the text, berdasarkan dari teks yang sudah kalian baca. So you must read again and read again the text. You can answer the charts. Jadi kalian setelah membaca, kalian akan bisa mengisi yang ada di sini. Yang ini tidak usah. So hanya number 19 and 18 saja. Okay, thank you very much for learning today. I hope you must happy and keep healthy, stay at home. Don't worry to use a mask and hand sanitizer. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.